Good morning, friends. Myself, I am Harday. Today, we will see the intersection of solids, chapter number 2. In that, we see the case first. In that, there are the two types, cutting plane method and line method. So, we start today line method with intersection of prism with prism. Again, I repeat, intersection of prism with prism. So, let's start. So, firstly, I give the basic points for their recording of lectures. So today we'll see the intersection of solids. In that we see the how to draw the. So today we will see the basic of intersection of prism with prism. So basically, what are the basic steps? So intersection of solids is a penetration of typical curve formed by two common both solids. Basically, it showed some machine components that is a intersection of solids. So an industrial dust collector, then feeding hopper, forge end, then two cylindrical surfaces, then pump having shapes, then so there are the cases cylinder with cylinder, square with cylinder, cone with cylinder, prism with cylinder, square prism, cylinder with cone. So in case of cylinder with cylinder, there is a one. The first case is square prism standing and square prism penetrating. So in that we see the firstly, so two prism as shown in figure. So first prism is vertical, another is horizontal. So there is a problem. A square prism 30 mm base, sides and 70 mm axis, which completely penetrated by another square prism 25 mm sides and 70 mm axis horizontally. Both the axes intersect and bisect each other. Full stop. All the faces of prism are equally inclined to VP. Draw the projection and showing curves of intersection. So in that we see the curves of intersection. So what is the curves of intersection? What is the procedure of problem? So firstly, draw the XY line, name as XY line. Then draw the actual views of first prism side 30 mm. Then mark as a name 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, extend this line on front view. So there is a top view and front view of first prism. Name as 1, 2, 3, 4 dash. There is a 144 angle line to draw the side view. So with the help of that, draw the side view. With the help of that, draw the side view. Similarly, name as 1 dash 2 dash 3 dash 4 dash. Then draw the second prism 25 mm sides and 70 mm axis. Both the prism intersect and bisect each other. So all the faces of prism are equally inclined to VP. So draw the projection of prism, name as A, B, C, D dash. So there is a there is a BD, there is a C. So A, BD and C mark as full length. Then firstly mark first horizontal points, that is a D. So mark D, similarly mark B on top view of the prism and mark the sides. So whenever it intersect on points, left side is given as P, right side given as Q. So there is a 1 point, second points. Similarly, name P1, P2, P3. So 3, 4, 3. Similarly on both sides and mark the points and join these points 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So in this way, this is shown by dotted line. So this is actual views which is used for problem. So in this way we see the problem. So let's see the problem. So firstly draw the prism 30 mm, another square is 30 mm perpendicular to each other. Then draw the side view, front view of an objects. Then draw the another square, name as so mark these points and join this point. Join this point. Join all. So this is a horizontal square prism which shown the problem. So next project all points in top view, sorry, front view. Mark these points. So extend all points. First prism is 50 mm side, second prism is 30 mm sides, vertical prism is 50 mm sides, horizontal prism is 60 mm side. Mark length of the prism axis. So assuming length 100 mm, which is both prism having 100 mm length. So mark these points on front view prism point. So there are the two methods. One is a 45 angle line drawn, or then draw the circle. Similarly, third points mark on this front view. Mark also these on front view. Then project all lines. This is a side view, whole length of the horizontal prism with the dimensions 1, 2, 3, 4. Name as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. Similarly, A dash, B, C, BD, B dash, D dash. There is a C dash, C double dash. So take a points using, there is a length 1, 3, 2, 4. So mark these points on these points 2, 2, 4, 4. So there is a same 4, 1, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. There is a 4 dash. So mark these points on this line and also mark this point on this line. So P1, P1. Similarly, 2, P2, mark on this on with the help of horizontal. That is a P2, P2. Similarly, P3, P3. P4, mark is P4. So on opposite side same as P4. So with the help of that, similarly this type of drawing draw on same sides. Same P4, P2, mark same P2. Similarly P3, P3, that is a P3, P4, P4, that is a Q4. Left side they name as P, right side name as Q. So join this 1, 4, 3 or 1, 2, 3. So join this 1, 2, 3. Similarly, second part is join this 2, 3. Similarly 2, 3. So join this using points. These also on these points. Middle line is dotted 1, 2, 3, 4. Same middle. So basic line also middle dotted. last also middle. So dark all these points. Final. Same way upper sides, lower sides. Mark these points. So mark this point. Also mark this point. Join this. Join this. Also join this. This also. Similarly, in front of you, mark this. Mark this. This is a dotted. This is also dotted. This also dotted. So mark sides. So this is your required final answer. So how to show the prism with prism intersecting? So thank you. Last points. So thank you.